Hello friends, it's Tori here and I'm here to share with you the basics of getting started with ManyCam. We're going to download together, we're going to set up together, and then I'm going to take you step by step through the features of ManyCam, okay? So let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is go to ManyCam.com, and I use the free version, so go ahead and download that. And just so you know, the free version does have a logo right here, and it doesn't come with all of the features, but I feel like this is worth it to me because I can get along just fine with the free version. There are some really cool features in the paid version as well. Okay, so now that we've clicked the download button, you're going to choose PC or Macs. Okay, just follow the steps and then wait for it to load. Okay, so now it is finished, so go ahead and push finish. Now you don't need to create a username or password. You can if you want. I choose not to. I have already installed ManyCam on my computer, so you can see a bunch of folders over here in my effects. You will have some here, but you get to customize this for your classroom. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Effects folder. Let's create one for food. Then it's going to show up at the bottom right here. So how I like to add effects to my folders is I go to ManyCam.com, just like where we were before. So you go to Resources, Effects, and you can do two things. You can search here, or you can go down here and look at the categories. So let's say we want food and beverages, we want breakfast foods, okay? And then we have all these options to download for free. Let's do pancakes, and let's download some eggs, and they'll show up in your downloads folder or your downloads bar, okay? So if you want to transfer them to your folder, you just click and drag to your folder. And then you click to have it appear, and you click off for it to disappear. You can also have the option to adjust the size, the position. You can do fun things with your students, like pretend to eat the effects, like this, like, okay, let's eat the pancake. And then you click off right as you eat. Sometimes when I don't want to go searching for all of my effects, let's say the reward today for my students is to have breakfast foods. Before class, I'll have these ready in the position I want, and I just click this eye icon, hides the effect. And so when I'm ready, I don't have to go searching through my folders. Let's say I want an emotion effect too. So I don't have to go searching through my folders. I can just click, oh, you get an egg, yay, or pancake, yeah. You can also click off of the award by exiting. So this doesn't delete the effect, but it does act as if you're clicking off. So it will disappear from this bar. So you can just click, and it's as if you're not selected anymore. So you can tell if you're selected if it's appeared or if it has this blue border around it. It will appear, that means you have it selected. You can just hit exit or click off of it. So this deletes your effects completely. So you'll have to re-download the effects if you click this X button. Okay, so this X button means you deselect it, but it's still in your folders, and this X button means that you delete it from your folders.
Okay, let's move on to the next section, which is presets right here. So this section can be useful for your classroom if you want to have a screen ready with some effects already in place. So what a preset is down here, you can see there's different windows. And in this one, I have preset my webcam to show in this window. But if you transfer to this one, it will display whatever you want. So you can right click, you can display your camera, or you can also display a file. Let's say your student is really interested in soccer. So you can add a soccer field and maybe, ooh, let's do pandas are playing soccer. But let's say that you don't want to disappear from your student's view. So you can go back to presets and see we're on preset number 2. Let's add a layer. See how it came up right here? All you do is you right click and then you click your camera view and then here you are. So you can interact with the soccer field or whatever image you decided to use. You can also display something like Google Slides. So if you have Google Slides already up in a window, you just go to right click desktop and then you app window, and then you select the right one. I have a ping pong one ready. But let's say that you don't want the reward on the big screen, you want it on the small screen. We just repeat the same process. Let's actually bring our soccer field back in and make the soccer field small and my webcam large. So now the pandas can play on the soccer field. Okay, so let's explore the pencil tool. The drawing tool, you can use the pencil, adjust the pencil thickness and the pencil color. Let's do blue. You just draw on the screen. To erase, you can also draw colors, or sorry, draw shape, and you can also save these presettings. So let's save this one that we just drew with the thickness and the color. All you have to do is push the plus button and it shows up right here. And if you want to erase, I like to slide it all the way up so it's quick. You can just erase the screen, or if you're in a hurry, you can push this button off and it'll disappear for you. The text tool is really fun. Type in here, adjust the position, adjust the color, and you can even select a specific color that you want. Let's say you want black, and the background, let's do white. Hello, change the font, all kinds of fun stuff. This is great for displaying your name during class, so your student can easily remember your name. Also, maybe a welcome message before or after, or something like, remember to leave me feedback. So when you're ready to turn that off, you just toggle that off as well. Okay, let's explore the time tool. This one has 3 features. It can display the clock. It even has this seconds option. It also has a stopwatch. So if you want to reset and then say, okay, name as many things as you can in 10 seconds, and then you push play and it starts timing. Like the other features, you can change the color, the size, and even the style. Another feature this has is a timer. So you can actually preset a time. So you just select, let's say you have 10 seconds to name all of the fruit that you can think of. Ready, go. And then it counts down for you. This one, the gallery, you can take videos with your effects. You can, and it will show up in my recordings. You can also take pictures with your effects, and it will show up in your snapshots. This is a cool tool because you can record your intro video for when parents are exploring who you are as a teacher. You can interact with your effects as you're demonstrating your teaching style. The snapshot you can use for your teacher profile picture, have Dino with you. Okay, and that is it for the most important features within ManyCam for your online teaching. I hope you enjoyed this. This is just a sample of what you can do in ManyCam, but for this tutorial, we're keeping it simple. Be sure to check out my other videos and blog posts about creative ways to use rewards and props in ManyCam. I will see you later. Bye.